Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Sabiha Sultana Shoshi with you and welcome you all to the English class. Hope you all are fine at home and enjoying your vacation with your family. Okay, let's start the class. In previous class we have already read Unit 16 and today we will start Unit 17. Unit 17 is all about sports. You all like sports, right? Okay. Here you can see the name of some sports like kabaddi, cycling, weightlifting, volleyball, badminton, cricket, swimming and football. Which sports do you like most? Cricket or football or badminton or some other? Anyway, I like cricket most. It's very interesting, right? And cricket is very popular nowadays in Bangladesh. Well, we have two topics in Unit 17. Number 1, different kind of sports, and number 2, Olympic Games. Okay, let's open the textbook. Here you can see Unit 17 and I guess you can see a dialogue. The dialogue is between Baichong and Anusha. Okay, let's read the dialogue. Baichong, do you play or do any sports? Anusha, I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot. Baichong, I play cricket and I do weightlifting. Anusha, weightlifting? Are you strong? Baichong, not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong. Anusha, my brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He is good at sports. Baichang, I would like to try kabaddi. I would also like to learn how to play volleyball. Anusha, volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more. Baichang, I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport. Okay, so here is the dialogue, and from this dialogue we can get and from this dialogue we got the information that Anusha likes to play badminton, swimming and cycling. She also likes football. And Baichung likes to play cricket and weightlifting. Baichung is also interested in kabaddi and volleyball. And we learned that Baichung's favorite sports is cricket. Now move on to our next topic, and that is Olympic Games. Okay, what is Olympic Games? Do you know? Well, the Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. Okay, there is a short passage in our textbook and let's read the passage. Here is the passage, a very short passage. Let's read it. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games was held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Okay, so this is the short passage, and from this passage we got the information that Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition. It is held in every 4 years. More than 200 nations participates in Olympic Games. Almost 13,000 athletes compete in this game. There are 31 sports categories. The first Olympic Games was held in Athens, Greece, and modern Olympics started in 1896. I hope you all understand the topic, right? Okay. So what we have learned today? Uh, so we have learned different kind of sports and a short dialogue between Anusha and Baichung, and from this dialogue we have learned about their favorite sports, and after that Olympic Games. Okay, so that is all about Unit 17, and you will find the exercise activity in lecture sheet uploaded in the website. I will request you all to complete the activity work. This is very easy, like matching true false, question answer, a short paragraph, etc. Try to complete this, and that is all for today. Thank you all, and see you in the next class.